Yeah. Prima coi là, ieri mai De Gea tiene na, mira mai Maguire com alguma bastoni também. Muito bem, test bastoni do Maguire, so outro guy comida de defesa é caixa fora. Muito bem, tem um wiga defesa do wingo de pé. Que mais aqui? Não sei. Yes. Ah, boy, coi Charlie Charlie. A frota. Ah, uma coisa nada mesmo. Agora aqui. Agora busca ainda. Yeah. Này có rồi có bị tung cái này cũng nguyên được team so. À bị.
A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm your commentator Guy Mowbray, joined by Sue Smith, and we're very much looking forward to this division rivals game. How do you see this one going then, Sue?
Yeah, I can't wait for this one, Guy. They've been in great form recently, and the crowd will give them that added boost too. I'm sure they'll be looking to put on the entertaining football that we've seen from them lately as well.
Ultimate Team sim. Walking to
the first kick of the ball, and we're away. Here's how Spartans line up today. David De Gea stands between the posts. Harry Maguire plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni as centre-backs, and they go with just one in attack. Can he finish? The first blow of the day struck early. 1-0.
If we watch this again, I love how he just dances by his marker like he's not even there. And then he just shows his cool to finish it off well.
He used to do one but his feet now and they feel me.
Chance to deliver into the box. Great chance here. It's a pretty good save by the keeper. Ayamiyama. What a chance. That is a great challenge. Adama Traore. Need to get tighter here. Advantage played, no free kick. Could be dangerous. Oh, brilliantly kept out. But look here, the game stops. It was offside anyway, but let's take nothing away from the save. McCutcheon. And on to Miyama. It's a good-looking attack building from Spartans. But that's where any chance of anything developing disappears. Davis. Mbappe. Adama Traore. Son. The Spartans come away with it.
Vou pro aquário, outro bar do banho. Curte.
That set up the chance. Real opportunity. Brilliant.
Agora aqui tá bom de corner tu cooperou. De lá de boy não gostei. Tira.
Pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Haley McCutcheon. Bastoni. Spartans unable to retain possession.
Coppa.
Lovely weighted pass. Now this has to be. And he's beaten the keeper with a lovely little dink. A finish of real confidence.
Se tem coi Copa de custo male, essa não sai da grande cor para louco mais, não quero não meter esse outro. Ele faz de bom. Não, sai.
And it's cleared away from goal. He's beaten his marker here. He can try. It might still happen. And a corner to come. And the ball comes in, and the keeper gets that away to safety. Perfectly anticipated, really well won.
É muito duro. Acredito que ela vai ter a fuga no dia na mesa. Lock.
Promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing.
Ah! Certo. Minha pena.
Gabriel. Klaus. Moving the ball forward. What can they do with this?
Oh,
they've scored! And that gives them a priceless lead. Niama. Nicely played through.
Vou fazer! Demorou, vou fazer mesmo, oi!
Headed back, and this could be nearly a wonderful attempt.
Links 4-3. Supposed to mal assim.
Read the pass well and cuts it out. Oh, could be a chance here. And it's on now. Goal. That's a top stop. Progress continues. Oh, excellent work from the keeper to deny a promising looking attack. Missed horribly, poor effort.
No?
Well, he's virtually on the byline there. He nearly squeezed it in, though.
McCutcheon. Now with Miyama. Miyama. Son. Oh, great work from the keeper to avert the danger.
Yeah.
And that's going to be it.
É acostumado a jogar inteiramente no outro style. Abo. Albo primo está, primo coca albo. Sacou? Pô, se homem com sempre me
There's the
estar o
restart.
você.
Off we go again. Ayamiyama. Back with Miyama. Possession lost just at the point of something happening.
Okay.
And the ball is lost. Problems now for them. Could take things forward a notch here. Now to deliver a good ball in. Cut back nicely. It's a decent stop by the goalkeeper.
Duan the lane on the kitchen.
Good vision. Oh, sure, he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping.
Well, what a save that was, and it really had to be made, didn't it? Just to keep this game competitive. I'm sure they'll kick on from here now.
And the danger keeps on coming. The keeper might be called into action again soon. Doan. Spartans moving forward with purpose. Something on, maybe.
Demora. No, mi llama da calzare, mi llama da tiro buono.
Delivered into the box. Either side of the keeper, and it might have been something.
Oh, really buono.
Davis. In the right position to cut out the pass. Oh, good ball in behind.
Offside.
And the flag's up. Offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching. Needs to be more alive. You've got to work harder to stay onside.
Offside.
Decent looking attack this. And the flag's up. That is quite clearly offside. Possession given
Basta come
away.
è, você bete countdown. Você tem elbows again. Yes, we
With
can.
a real promise now. Still trying to find the space.
No.
The counter looks on here. Options available. Nice cutback. And they scored. Second best no longer. It's level again.
If we look at this again, it's all about the delivery into the box. It's excellent. And it makes a striker's job relatively easy. All she has to do is make the right connection to really good goal.
Normale però, da tiro ce l'ho
This has to be. And it's been kept out to deny him the double.
He showed really good movement to get himself into those goal-scoring positions. Just couldn't quite find the clinical touch there.
Corner kick played in.
This
It
one
was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. And he's only succeeded in finding the touchline with that. Doan. Oh, he's given it away. This for the lead.
Yes.
And that gives them a priceless lead.
Lei passei per io con un tiro una cappa mia. E non era qui, no. Quindi guarda 26 stati in condena.
It's not the best of clearances.
No.
Surely the equaliser. Oh, it's still in there.
Tappa.
Chance to level it up now from the corner. And it's a short one. have
Building
possession. What
coragem,
can they do
sabe?
from here? And cleared well away from goal. Ref allowing the game to flow. Just needs
Ele corre! Não! Passou mais no malo.
made their way into danger here. Great defending. Corner now then, and a good chance to go further ahead.
Hindi ko na-assist. Tawa. Ito ko.
Traore. Still pushing forward in search of the equaliser. Back with De Gea. Now with Miyama. Chance now for a quick transition. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. And this could be. And there it is. They lead by 2 now. And they can breathe that little bit more easily.
Stop the keeper as well.
So the score now 4-2 as the ball gets rolling again. Traore.
Ay, sí, dahil naging magkumpra ng oras, ari ko, para ko na February o hindi ko na rin. Agora com a bola, nós estamos na treina com mais 3 especialistas aqui. Agora eu compro tudo, eu dou mais barato, né? Chespico. Não, eu compro brinca. Então, aí era uma subi, mas a Maguire, de que ia comprar na minha câmera. Só não tá no 27, não tá mal, não.
Well, that had to be kept out to avoid serious embarrassment.
Yeah, he just lost
Esse time que não é um time
concentration
como
for a second there. He'll be so pleased he was able to make up for it, but needs to be switched on.
The game will stop. Offside.
Vai com focus com o rival, né? Dona puta passa de posição boa, limita aqui,
Decisive ball from Miyama.
claro.
What a chance. And that puts a really impressive seal on what has been a fantastic performance.
Tá bom.
Well, we can see it again now. He does so well to slip past this man, leaves him stranded. And as soon as he's through 1v1 with the goalkeeper, he just goes for power and smashes it in the net. It's a quality finish.
Flag up here. Offside.
Saya ingin begitu ni kafe tu nana.
Put into the box.
Dale, Scorpion.
A superb volley. And that is the final blast. Not the
Ball
result
teriba
the
na,
opposition
kaya sa
fans
gusto
were
naman
hoping
tiki.
for. Sue, what did you make of it all?
Ball teriba na. Sabe vira mais luz ainda mais fel. Bota mira, bota mira mana obstacle yang lagi. Bota mira. Oh no, quando mira mi squad, così. Andando com 4-1-4-1. Sì.
Well, conditions really couldn't be any better here tonight. A very warm welcome to you on this fine evening. Guy Mowbray with you for commentary, along with Sue Smith. And we've got a division rivals game on the way for you. Sue, what are your expectations from this?
Yeah, you can't beat watching a team that are playing well. They've been unplayable at times. Really exciting to watch, and I'm sure the fans are going to be looking to play their part as well.
Ball is rolling. We're underway.
Però dito na nabendisyawa kasi pabira. Yung nabaraka si pero.
Got room to operate in here. Paul scores. Scores! More than one option on here for Spartans. Oh, a great chance.
Di ko na tinaslowas. Anda sa peer reacts no. Latira ko reacts. Latira ko reacts no.
Played through nicely. Here's how Spartans line up today. David De Gea stands between the posts. Harry Maguire plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni as centre-backs.
Pero bako rin buong away na mo. Doon mo away na gusto ko rin gol.
It's nice vision to switch things. He's beaten his marker here. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Joanne. This is looking good. Now what comes next?
Nicely won by the defense.
Promising looking ball.
Fala mucha! Este no voy a pasar para atrás, ¿eh? Ya, mas eu tiro agora bom aqui, me tá pegando aqui porque né, também quarteiro, mas né, faz tu que tu tirou com ele, mano.
There's good width to this attack now. Body in the way.
Não sei se é bravo, tu botou coisa não. Ei, não.
Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. And it's there to equalise. Settle in for the rest of this. A great game already.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip past his marker. That's what opens up the opportunity, and then cool as you like in the finish.
What a chance here.
Nossa, dá até né.
Oh, yes, it's a ripper.
Eu vai ler, aí vai lá tirar. Google lens de né. Pero la escucha.
Could get it over now.
No, no vai não.
Good patient build up, but not quite the end product. It's a lovely ball. There might be something building now.
No, di ko. Doon nga promete bilang di cruise la gabo in kasono. Sino. No, right. Ang tagal. Ay niya magirahala pa ta ko babon.
Chance to deliver into the box.
No. Sa desa que de manting offside, se mi sa sì, però mi sa che tu sa che gelevo, come se ti vado na maneke braço, che brutto.
Switched on and ready to intercept there. Sent into the middle. Well, never seemed to get over the ball in truth.
No, mi sa che de coining offside, però mi sa che gelevo ti mi burbo io.
Adeyemi. A little careless there as the ball
No,
changed
that's it.
hands.
Yeah, no.
That's been seen as a foul. Free kick. Alessandro Bastoni. He's beaten his marker here. But that's good defending. Well won.
Thanks
For the breakaway here. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. Crucial defending. The ball won and fairly, says the ref. And the forward progress continues. Decent move looked to be building, but that's it for now.
I know.
Unable to find anyone with that.
Plenty
of space to attack
now. Quarta bimba dentro. Eu mirando a coisa na hora que resta tá essa é mais dele. E também força aqui.
The ref allowing play to continue. Could be a chance to break here.
Ankara.
Fizzling out in the end.
Vai.
Both sides having a hard time keeping the ball at the moment. They're being afforded too much space here. Decent looking cross played in. And away it goes.
Oh no, she's on fire.
And the attack is over.
No.
Really good defending. And the defender left behind.
Fire.
And that's two for him
Muito para trás, vamos fazer. Vira melhor, muito para trás.
They can't contain him. All square then, as they get things going again. Possession lost just at the point of something happening. For the lead now. Oh, you can't stop them now. They've got another in double quick time. Away we go again at 3-2. Zinedine Zidane. Just needs the composure now.
Offside, right?
But I think he went too soon. It's offside.
Well, he can check here. Allow time for the through ball to come. He's lively and he wants to get him beyond, but he just needs to look across the line.
Build up, but not quite the end product.
And
that'll do it. The end of the first 45 minutes here. And we're off for the second half. Oh, and he's left his man behind. And it's on now. And the shot thwarted. The counter looks on here. Options available. But able to deal with the danger decisively. Well defended. Need to get tighter here. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over. Miyama with space to attack. Looking to put the cross in. Oh, a great chance.
I know. Tira por cima.
Now, can this be attacked? And it's not far away. It deserved a goal.
It did, and he makes it look so easy, and it's not. It's a great technique. Catches it nice, but he just can't quite find the target.
Real opportunity. It's in. 2 to the good. That little bit of buffer. And it's just a matter of keeping concentration now. This is looking good. Now what comes next? This has to be. It's in. Oh, they needed that. And they're not out of this game yet. So it's 4-3 now as the game restarts. This could be threatening.
Oh, no, that's the ball is on the way. Oh, yeah, that's a prima drita.
Great chance here. Oh, what a really good save that was. That's crossed the line. It'll be a throw. Promising looking ball. What can they do from here? They could level it here.
Keep it up there, guys.
This match completely on its head.
Keep it up, crazy. Oh.
So it's level at 4 each as the game restarts. Good ball in behind.
I know, guy. What's for the not throw me?
That must be so disappointing for them. Breaking at pace, this could be dangerous.
Doe het even duren. Wat hè? Doe het wat duren.
Certainly connected with that. Plenty of power in the shot. Really unlucky not to score.
Even.
Good vision from Miyama.
Door.
Genuine chance. Oh, you might have to wait a long time to see anything like this again. Somehow, incredibly, they're now in front.
Cazzo vertragen. Die wow vertragen dan
Out
weer.
of play, going to come. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Nice pass and on they march. Defensive job done.
Slechte aanname.
Decent looking cross played in.
Een keer te laten dan.
And they're not going to benefit from a decent passage of play. They could get caught out on the break here. Chance for the equaliser. Oh, seeking his second goal.
Para, guarda,
He's certainly been great getting himself into good positions on a regular basis, but this time the keeper's equal to him.
Having a look.
No, perché lo aveva in gol.
But they have a corner now.
Well, the crowd is certainly trying to motivate the players to get the equaliser. This is a big chance.
Legale, tutto non è, ma... Così.
Spartans regain possession. And you can see what he was trying with the ball over the top, but just a little too much on it in the end. The counter looks on here. Options available.
No, ma passiamo al...
Real opportunity.
Sì, no.
A score. No better sight for the player than an open goal in front of them. Easy. Well, we can hardly believe what we've seen. 5-5 now as it gets going once again.
Allora.
Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. This looks really good. Could we see a winning goal? Now, this has to be. And the keeper gets everything right there. Put them ahead.
No, no! No, ma primi due scoppari quello! Boom! Da capplo, dai, passei nada! Aldinho vai ser passei só!
Pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Miyama. Can he finish?
É, não. Capa, mano!
Likely a winning goal. Well, underway again. Is there to be one more twist to the tail? Decent looking attack this.
Ano, dominando, primi L2 kutukono, mano. Copy na ng 5 gol, no?
Positive move as they seek that equaliser. It's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Time running out. Can they take advantage from this corner? Played in now. Chances won't come too much better than that.
Certo.
Doan.
E tá imenso a lata na boa. Oh, gostou.
This has to be.
Bom.
After that challenge, a corner to come. Comes. That's a foul.
Tá, já
And a free
passa,
kick.
feito golzinho.
Needs to be careful here. And there's the final blast. Not the result these fans were hoping for. Sue, what did you make of it all?
Vai colpa louco você, né?
They were well in the game and it could have gone either way.
Tre
To
punti da
concede so
costa.
late on will have hit them hard, but I'm sure they'll bounce back quickly.
Droga. Tem uma coisa, lá se uma stream, coisa manda bisa kami meeting kan di ka dengu, na di laki passa dengu sa, okay? Saya ketika di musik nang luto ka den orang, não sei evolution. Saya musik nang luto ka den FIFA mes, ta artista nang sukono. Ya está, na bisa kami min maki usa nang ganti ka den mi stream no. Ministra bij kort om waar ik wil zeggen voor. We moeten gewoon in FIFA of bij de instrument, we moeten van deze wat stream, turn on, en dan kita tuh muziek no. So se você subir assim, né, também artista não tá bisa botar copyright. Não, de verdade não vou decorar, né? Se é bem subir me com o nome dele.
A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mobley, joined for commentary by Sue Smith, and we've got a division rivals game on the way for you. It's the Rebels, and they take on the Spartans.
Yeah, this should be a good one. They're a team in really good form, exciting going forward and strong defensively. They'll be looking to take that quality into this match, I'm sure.
Here's how the Rebels line up today. Gianluigi Buffon starts in goal. Declan Rice plays alongside Frank Lampard in the middle of the park, and they go with just one in attack. Cross maybe mishit, certainly misplaced. Here's how Spartans line up today. David De Gea stands between the posts. Harry Maguire plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni as centre-backs, and they're playing with just one up front. Great chance here. Well, I'm sure he will
Ma che avete più problema con questo guy to correre, né? Ini sa hali ko to bana ba sumo ke lebih bade.
Haley McCutcheon. Zinedine Zidane. Rebels have possession again.
Questo che devo per me va. Il primo è al 1. Quello primo che ci ti butti assim bosin bosan.
Well, here we can see it again, and it's a really cool finish. He didn't overthink it, just made his mind up and slotted it home.
Miyama. Ritsudoan. Oh, great chance. An equaliser. What a terrific
Lesora.
start to the match. 1-1 then as we get started again.
That's right.
Miyama, and they went too soon. It's offside. Good work from Spartans to win it back.
Oh.
On ahead. Oh, they scored again. The game had only just restarted after the last one.
Bom round.
So it's 2-1 as the game restarts. Eto. Now it needs a good ball in. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Miyama threads it through. Oh, that's how to win the ball. Miyama. The Rebels recovering possession well.
Oh, that's clear.
Free kick awarded here. The refs viewed that as a foul. Nicely played through.
This is boy.
But it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that.
Slice that for him.
Zidane. Can he finish? And it's almost...
I know, Ali! Maluki nessa tira só.
Here it comes. It's not the best of clearances. From a long way out. The pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Haley McCutcheon.
No, vabbè, devo vedere darlo. Ora non gli passo mai uscire.
The visitors have controlled the play in the past 15 minutes, and they've created some clear-cut chances too. You think if they extend the lead further, it's going to be difficult for the opposition to get back into this.
And maybe another opportunity is in the works here.
Non ci devo, non ci devo come questo.
And with a slight hint of alarm, it's nicely knocked to the keeper. Maguire. Doan.
No.
Excellent reading of the game to win the ball.
Samuel
Eto. What a chance.
Okay.
Really good goalkeeping there.
Well, they've come so close to equalising, haven't they? Just need to keep putting the pressure on, and I'm sure they'll get the goal that they fully deserve.
Oh, that's blatant.
Così crocava. Baixava o slice no zero.
Good
That's been cut out. It's too easy. Good vision from Garincha. He's in here.
Oltre malo. Chi copolasi.
Ritsudoa. Could be dangerous. Real chance here.
Vai là. Che mandavo, quando tira perché non vai col contro ma vai. Se lo vedi? Gesù, no, no, veramente, buono fu Gesù, no. No. O regalo lá, ela quer comprar ou não, ela bora entrar em outra despesa. Perché mi chiedo tare, volevo fare finché poi. No, sì, posso pure falso. Cioè, no, weekend time kan sam vooral ook bom maar weekend league ko na we na no so tayo. Diyan sin bali pro tong ano. Na de pro non so tayo, se pro non so tayo. Antes ora eu ia acabar começar assim me dar open, então uma casa do weekend, da classificar, acabou tirar G5 é que tá G5 promete 20 ou alguma coisa, não, pero ok, tá G5 tu mane ya vai 8 na bukan 8 na mês, ora botar um bom paquete. No, ko passar mi vai costa outubro, não vai costa outubro bem. E nanan mapera um sim mai mai né, assim 12 mai, o minonga, mapera do weekend ou business sabe. Quando di me weekend league inamo ta kenera bo siamo bo comprende no, mapera do weekend league inamo per mene do beshen kana e cabo.
And what we have coming up for you is a foot rivals match on the menu. It's the Spartans versus United.
Yeah, they're playing well at the moment. They're organised, they play some neat football, and they're very energetic. This should be good in front of their fans today.
And so the battle commences.
Guys, assim que não vou também lembrar. Eu vou com vídeo para não sabe das na coisa que é o nome não vou bem bem.
And the idea is to have just the one striker up there.
Mas dá me para me gastar me tinha cobo tá na assist.
He must finish.
Don't say.
But not troubling the keeper too much.
Pero if like upside, I'm gonna upside. Every time we lob the ball ho.
This looks dangerous from Tevez. And he's through here. And that would have been quite the early boost for them.
He's upside on me. But lob the phone. See where goes and he's upside.
A look at the starting 11 for United. Gianluigi Buffon begins in goal. William Saliba starts with Roy Keane plays with N'Golo Conte in the centre.
But it's down maybe the evolution with your work, you know, passing the bench. And the guy links, hopefully on.
side.
Se per una ben scelte o gewoon ben dik door
United
nog
have
ben
it
drie.
once again.
Visi danno non ben di 4
Jude
ora.
Bellingham. Now with Tevez.
Non mi mettiamo anche per
Well,
solamente
good vision from Tevez.
oh.
And keeping it out. Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, Derek, I
Komt
thought
u
he was
wat
brilliant
dura
last
fino
time
a
out. Scored a couple of goals, but it was his general play as well that was excellent.
Als ik
Short
de
to
Puyol
receive the
non
ball,
ben die
making
scelte
runs in
neanche.
behind defenders. He was outstanding, and I'm sure we're going to see more of the same today.
Well, on you go, says the referee. Advantage. But he's retrospectively awarded the free kick, having let it flow initially. He was trying with that free kick, but the goalkeeper had it covered all the way. It's a corner.
Ja, gedaan.
And quick thinking defensively. Ayamiyama.
Nog een keer.
It looks promising. Here's Rafinha. And it's a quality pass. Really good block.
No, no, no. No, guy. I love guy.
The Spartans get us moving again. A swift reply required after this setback. Angeldal. Will it happen for them? And intercepted there. Really good challenge. Opportunity. He's blocked it. So the Spartans trailing. What can they do with this corner now? Too much elevation on the header, but not a bad effort.
Esse FIFA aqui ganha copo mesmo da bola em geral. Esperando depois de mim sair. Um copo fácil, uma corner, bala cruzar, nada de quando é um copo
Now
fácil.
options are plenty, and the Spartans have it once again. Promising
No,
pass.
eu passei,
Really good build-up,
eu
but
passei
no
lá
end
fora,
product.
pero qual é um barril again, the guy esquece me.
Carlos Tevez. Showing fine vision. Conte. Tremendous work from the keeper to avert the danger.
Está
United
bom.
regaining possession. Lacking a distinct sense of rhythm at the moment.
Assim, pô, do pai, vai ver cabo com essa pequena. Ai, sim, não vou
William
ligar.
Saliba. Being pressed here. Brilliant piece of skill. Oh, good vision. Tevez is in here. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. Ritsu Doan. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. And good use of advantage. The referee allowing play to continue.
No, não consigo lá ele.
Teammates available. Michael Owen, determined defending.
No. Ada.
Doan.
É,
Another example of how to do it from Buffon.
Era gol. No, pô, quando ele duro nesse vídeo.
Now in a more than decent position. Zinedine Zidane. And Miyama threading it through. Oh, a finish of real class! No wonder he's celebrating. Take a bow.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And what a great finish it is. He just lifts the ball over the keeper into the back of the net. That's a well-constructed goal.
So back underway. 1 goal apiece here. N'Golo Conte. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance. But the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have
Di
to give
equipe
credit to the keeper.
che da
Surely he should
sa
have scored
combine
there.
outro
That's a
bande
really
ora
big
che cai
chance.
qui ballando.
Able to skip past his man.
Vediamo tutto uguale.
Quick thinking defensively. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Carles Puyol. And on to Beckham. And options in the centre. He's made a really important challenge.
Oh no.
That's a really good run. Really vital
Stavo
interception here.
Vietnam. Den curva duro que dava back away.
Looked like an effective counter-attack, but brilliantly read.
Sì, no, mi conosce
Zinedine Zidane.
io non è che mi conosce la mia squadra football, la bastoni che vengono come
Intelligent threaded pass here.
io non so
Can they
to
jump in front? Oh, it's a super save.
Well,
che
he
fanno
always
chi da
looks in
Maguire,
control of
il
the
testo che
situation.
è tasto che
That's a
ha
top-class save.
And there's the delivery. It might still be problematic.
un vado calcio corre con lo scorso era buono non vedi che beh e con bastone ho finito subito salivo beh
And take it away. Tevez.
salivo se vedo buon fit non va a salivo però il mio walk con la camera lo il testo non lo vedo però
Offside position.
no bimba dembe a ragazzi era lì avevo da bene non avevo uscire per andare a piccola
Well, we have
ti
30
vedo io
minutes to
così
go.
ora mi devo ne focus sotto
Well, the Spartans did well to regain control of the ball. Can they trouble the
Busciami
opposition? The referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick.
devi baccare
And
un
yellow
po'
it is.
finale
A booking.
Yeah, he was too impatient to
Oh,
win the ball
Boyega.
and probably deserved a yellow card.
Guarda con Leo
Andrei Raziu. Now with Miyama. And defending as a unit.
senza la buona saranno ancora
United
messo
could get in behind the defence. Can he play it in? No let up here. Spot on with that tackle. a deflection, and it will be a throw-in. Francisco Moura. Miyama.
Di pa quay. Ang dami mo.
Must take the lead here. And the ball is loose. The second time of asking, but the goalkeeper badly.
Parang ko siyang cosa medalha uma dove cai dele tinha. A tira Lucas Cotiga na hora de tirar fome na festa o que não.
Oh, what an opportunity.
Que feio.
They really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
Keane. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them.
Não, cara, que vai ser que bom.
And possibilities here. Oh, good strike.
É bom, mano.
Well, on a good day, that might have gone in for the equaliser.
Yeah, I agree. That was half a chance, I would say. But they still trail here.
And we're inside the final 15 minutes.
Não.
Doan. And space to cross it. Well, he was dreaming of scoring, but ruled offside.
Well, it all happened very quickly, so I wouldn't criticise him too much. At least he was in there.
High pressing at its best. Tevez. Owen. Determined defending. Zinedine Zidane. Well, it's a good-looking move, this, from the Spartans. Oh, it's a superb challenge. Very timely.
Esse que eu lembro,
Wonderfully weighted pass.
esse é do ano. É a primeira.
This could level it.
Esse é uma turma, né? Esse aí não.
Here it is again. It's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back. And then through goes the power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Angeldal. And the Spartans unable to retain possession. All even, but will it stay that way?
No, mas Guarda, proprio bene fallo del lato che non
Will they
può
get another
mai.
chance? That would surely have won the game for them.
Diciamo che
A smart stop here. Trying to build ahead of steam. Another
io
corner
show
it'll
it
be. Tremendously strong in the tackle. Zinedine Zidane.
no.
Spartans couldn't hang on to it. He has teammates around him. Doan. And in a perfect position to cut it out. Well, the referee has instructed the fourth official to put 2 minutes on the board. On the attack, is there to be late excitement?
Tu to slide so slide atrás.
Forthcoming corner might just do it. Could be their last chance to hit the front in the dying moments.
Malu. Ato.
So the final whistle is sounded at the
Paga
end
mi
of the game.
candela.
The teams not to be divided from the point of view of the host.
Sì. Tiro con Dio trovo. It seems like even Porque não does nada. Não does nada. No, papá loco, no does nada. Okay, no idea. Che non mando qui qua, boh, lì. Corre, che siete blanco da, Invite. Edit for me. Viene per loco meeting, 13.000 per loco, no? Lo stay. Quando vedere Chelsea in quel comune, con i Paris, no? Ja, comparar da frio, den final vem, cambia todo o quórum. Oh.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And everyone here on tenterhooks, you'd have to say with good reason. It's the Spartans, and they take on meat and drink.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
And the starting 11 for the Spartans. David De Gea starts in goal. Evan Ndika plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni in central defence. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage. And here's the lineup for meat and drink. Gianluigi Buffon is the goalkeeper. Paul Scholes plays alongside Frank Lampard in the engine room. And the
Oh, Derek, big chance here.
full credit. Wonderful stop.
Tira duro.
Foul it is then.
Ma Kiko, mi ha assinato. Só mesmo aquilo, Floyd.
And the flag has gone up. Offside. And meat and drink have possession again. It's opening up for them.
No, de queste di che ha.
The ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Nusayr Mazraoui. Well, meat and drink being afforded too much room here. Hold on!
Che fa qui?
They have never stopped believing, and now they sense victory.
Leva il train.
So underway again, a 2-0 advantage here. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Paul Scholes.
Gli dalla keeper berdato.
Todibo. Van de Ven. Lampard with it. Bruno Guimaraes. It's with Scholes. And meat and drink moving the ball forward with purpose. Well, they know how to pass the ball and at pace. A glorious chance. Oh, no. Not the greatest of efforts, was it?
Well, I think I can say he's made a real mess of that.
Andre Ratsiu. Philippa Angeldal. Alert intervention. Well, on you go, says the referee. Advantage. Van de Ven. Bruno Guimaraes. It's with Scholes. Determined defending. Go on. This looks more than decent. Under pressure. And teammates around him. Oh, he's gone for goal. Tremendous block. The cut back. Oh, covering up defensively. Must be. A goal.
No.
They're truly cruising to victory here.
Chi sta agitando
So on with the action, and quite honestly, it's looking like a question of how many from meat and drink. Miyama. Couldn't find a teammate. Throw in here. Palmer. Holland. Well, they have the advantage. That's good refereeing. Opportunity it is. Oh, stellar defensive work to get back and win possession. And across the touchline, so a throw in here. Todibo. Sam Kerr. Good technique displayed. Has eyes for goal. Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps. And teammates around her. And he's made headway.
Wow.
Todibo. Well, nearing the half-time interval, and suffice it to say, they're not making great use of home advantage. Stuart, your assessment?
Well, I'm almost lost for words, because this just hasn't been good enough. And it starts with their defending. The forwards haven't pressed the ball.
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart. Opportunity. Oh, great goalkeeping.
Well, that's a top-quality save. Great anticipation.
Needs to tread carefully. Frank Lampard. Meat and Drink finding space on the wing. Guimaraes. Firing it towards goal. Oh, tremendous work from the keeper to avert the danger. And we will have just one additional minute. Zinedine Zidane. In possession, Doan. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, the second half underway, and what a big statement that was by Meat and Drink in the first 45. Erling Haaland. And he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. This looks promising. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Haaland. Mazraoui with it. Bruno Guimaraes. Oh, in with a chance! And just like that, the break has stopped. Really top quality defending. Zinedine Zidane. In possession, Doan. This attack looks highly promising. Good looking cross. And he's clear as lines. Malin. Real chance. And that's a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Over it comes. And making sure it wasn't problematic. Attackers have options available. Well, it petered out. Doan. And the challenge, crisp and clean. Cross blocked.
Oh no. Kalau Albin Tainang Palang kami maka bisa ke defense berjaya. Misi ada yang tadi lagi.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. Zidane trying to split open the defence. Well read to win possession back. Mickey van de Ven. Mazraoui here. It looks promising. Scholes. Mazraoui. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. Electing to shoot. That was a magical save, it was. But he's gone short with it. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Oh, breezing past him. Oh, it's a superb challenge. Very timely. What was the chance they could get caught out on the break here? Rather congested in the middle of the park. Nice weight on the pass. And a goal here! There it is! They've done it!
Che belli cena.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Well, he's certainly not alone. Genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Philippa Angeldal. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Scholes. Read it superbly to take back possession. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Well, it broke down, alas. Well, I'm not sure the keeper particularly wanted that, but danger averted for now. Palmer. Trying to open up the defence. Is it going to be?
Yeah, it's a
On the clearance, a good one. Feeding it through. Great movement.
Ai, muito duro, rabia no. Kita lagi perfect panggang sa amin.
On the shot, but he couldn't put it away.
Well, you're right, he certainly strikes it well, but he's got his angles all wrong there.
Brighton. Alvarez. Possession regained by Meat and Drink. Really good build-up, but no end product. Oh, he looks threatening. He has teammates around him. And he's broken free. Oh, couldn't beat the goalkeeper. And really should have been able to. So the final whistle almost upon us. And this is not exactly what the home fans had in mind when they arrived at the ground today, Stuart.
Well, they just never got going. People will point fingers towards the centre-backs and keeper, and to be fair, they've been poor, no doubt about that. But they haven't had much protection. There's been so much space for their opponents to operate in, and they've had a field day. The final whistle...
Oh, look at this, they must score! Oh, a challenge of the highest order! It certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book him, I think. Zidane's weighted pass. Just offside.
Well, it was close,
Agora vale ele match. Então tá vendo outro com.
Absolutely right.
Tem tática. Pessoal, vou tentar style um jogo me deu tabo outra maneira.
So weighted pass. 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. And the situation could be
Outro bora
dangerous.
da Mario.
And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Goan. Oh, good-looking run.
Foi o Russia.
And so the referee blows for full time and it goes down as a victory.
Gusto está el juego, mi sa que dá aqui por aqui também bola. Sali borrami do gol bom aí. Vamos lá aqui. Que eu vi mirando. Vuoi che la cava vuoi tenere? Se adesso un coachino ragazzi. Dove va che l'iPhone mi rimane. Deixa eu pensar que teríamos. Oggi buona Rafinha de Las Vegas aqui dalle che bei casi mi auguro al dia. Ora ma che vega. Vediamo che dalle che ben qualcuno lì da su bando antes namo sago.
Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm Derek Ray, and adjacent to me in the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And with kick-off just moments away, we really should be in for a magnificent occasion. It's the Spartans, and they take on meat and drink.
Well, Derek, we're looking forward to this game. You can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the
Buon
pitch,
tiro che
particularly in
toccò
those central
lì,
areas.
però
Whichever
poco
team
al dia
wins one of
tasso,
those
no?
battles will win the game.
Anteera mi tava un video di Osaka di erano lì a punta do gol contro Madrid. Na avuto video 10 minuti, come che castiga Madrid, che fanatico in Madrid, na me lanta para, batti una però, vediamo che deve. Ma che treble din padeng dal do stack. Primi ko esta pali na no mai kasiya na para mi sai no talaga ulti atro.
Alongside Paul Scholes in the centre of midfield, and it's two strikers up front who look to provide the goal-scoring threat. Tight offside decision, but the flag does go up. Francisco Mora, and it's opening up for Miyama. That's not a bad ball. A decisive clearance it was. Kerr. They're using the space really well, you've got to say. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending.
Saliva mi spiega.
And he really is danger personified, but in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, I'm hoping that all the work he's been doing to develop his game will come to the fore today. Apparently, he's shown a great improvement on the training pitch.
Todibo. Now here's Kerr. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Zinedine Zidane. Mora. Ayamiyama. Angeldor. A real opening now. Another example of how to do it from Buffon. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
Stuart, an opportunity.
Ah.
What an absolute waste of a corner. And that's gone out of play for what will be a goal kick. Palmer with it. And meat and drink pushing forward with options available. Quite possibly a yellow card as the flow was stopped. Frank Lampard. An attack full of promise. We wondered who was going to win the race. The answer, the goalkeeper. Francisco Mora. Well, we can give them high marks for their passing, but can they make this pressure count? Miyama. And defensive play to be applauded. Bruno Guimaraes. Now a decent position. Is this the moment? Great defending. Well, a chance here perhaps to invigorate their aerial targets. Now how about the short corner? Just can't get it past him. Angeldor. All with meat and drink again. Plenty of support here. Oh, he fancies his chances. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Fine tackle by Lampard. Mickey van de Ven.
Well, you sense it's just a matter of time before they do score, Derek. They've been piling on the pressure now and really should be ahead in this one.
Ayamiyama. And cutting inside. Must be. And a goal! To open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Lucer Masraoui. It's with Scholes. This looks promising from meat and drink. Well, they get themselves level here. Oh, really commanding. It's a short one. It's still there for him.
Ai no, Roma, sei di no. Sei di no. No, sei di no, FIFA, stai there, cara. Sei di no, FIFA. Non che mi bida, mi ricordo in via. Realistic. Ai no, quelli sta destacando. Buoni no.
Again, 2-1 the scoreline. And Spartans pushing forward with options available. Such an important goalkeeping intervention under pressure. Lampard. It's with Scholes. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Nice looking move, this. Not a very complicated catch for the keeper. Todibo. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, advantage meat and drink after the first 45, but plenty of time for a few twists and turns along the way before this game is over. Bruno Guimaraes. Mazraoui here. Well, possibilities in the centre. Lampard. A glorious chance. And you cannot argue with a hat-trick. Simply unstoppable today.
Quando che la Beita County un gol in là, veramente impossibile. Incredibile. Aiuto, qualche altro che stai no, qualcuno che da secondo guardato.
El Shaarawy, and this would reduce the deficit.
Tira più da un pane. Un po' di nome in.
And over it comes. Wasn't a great clearance. Well, the pass not finding its target. Good-looking move. Chance here. Well, he's placed it wide. Really close shave. Andre Ratsiu. Wasted possession again. Distributing it well. Meat and drink unable to retain possession. Giving it a try. And did just enough defensively. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Noussair Mazraoui. Bruno Guimaraes. Well, meat and drink moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Now the counter-attack looks on. Go on. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? And finally up a cul-de-sac. Kerr. El Shaarawy. And a timely intervention. Well, beaten easily here. He knew he had to make the tackle and did. Beautifully weighted ball. Still looking for space. What a block! Scholes, real chance. Is it going to be? Well. To the goal when all was said and done.
Well, from that sort of position, you should really be testing the goalkeeper. Has to hit the target. It's not a good attempt.
Zinedine Zidane. An advantage coming into play, and rightly so. Just 20 minutes remaining now. Well, not the pass he had in mind. Crossing opportunity. Is it going to be? Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping. Francisco Moura. Has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Zinedine Zidane. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. And he's made headway. Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. Guimaraes. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Could be. And there it is! Another goal! And surely there's no way back from this now. Well, it's been a masterclass from meat and drink so far, and you sense it's a matter of how many for them. It looks promising. Guimaraes. Opportunity.
Butto un corrivo così. Che ti colpia quando ti corriva ultra attack.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine losing it now. Well, there's defensive solidity for you. Paul Scholes. On to Estupinian. Good visualisation and execution. Bruno Guimaraes.
Well, the crowd are certainly not happy. Their team is being totally outplayed.
Oh, wait, Stuart, they might score.
No, sei offside, però
Offside it is. Zinedine Zidane. Now, who can he play it to?
Offside.
Offside here. Paul Scholes. Now with Reiten. Determined defending. Now can they hit them on the counter? And in with a real chance. And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. Totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. Guimaraes. Oh, danger here. Lampard. Will he finish? The keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger. And there it is, the final whistle.
Malasso. Sono contento che scorna. Sì. Ora prendi gol Giamali, quei cansami, ma quei buono, quei beddato. Se per consigliare in nana anche mi equipa te in un po' di un vale in culina. Si perde, sa che sì, o sì, non sono stata mano. Se no, mi dovevo completamente per final back, tipo tactic mio back oggi. Abbiamo portato due delantero che io back. Me ne prometto formation.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions.
Quindi due
I'm Derek
delantero.
Ray, positioned here on the commentary
Ok,
gantry, and
quindi
alongside me at the microphone
mi
is Stuart
dava
Robson. And the
4-1-2-1-2
general feeling is we should be in for a
Pero no van a
spellbinding
ser
occasion.
mi te
It's
butta
the
pa na
Spartans, and they take on meat and
taktik pa
drink.
na holding
Well, thanks, Derek, as
na.
always. The scene is set. Two good teams.
Pero
Great
tinha hora que
playing surface
mi nota
and a
llegando
vibrant
gol di
atmosphere.
mi do
Has
ibu
all the
do
ingredients for
delantero.
a really exciting game.
Bota mi mas de ataque também.
And the starting 11
Yes,
for the
the base for
Spartans. David De Gea between the posts. Big chance. There it is, and just the ideal start. Well, meat and drink get the ball rolling again. Let's find out how they plan to react to this setback. Chance to finish. And in. Oh, yes. Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, just watch this again. A change of pace, a change of direction, and a decent finish. That's a very good goal.
Mickey van de Ven. Bruno Guimaraes. Oh, this looks useful. He fancies it. He got a good palm on it. Well, he's certainly not alone. Could pull one back here.
No, kembali ang tira chiva i gol
The belief is back.
glitch mal tinha so impossível ang batera. Why not? Vamos ser waki ko yang to gilant ni keeper
This
mo.
game is very much a contest.
Akan keeper ta mal sen na kaya. Ang gol ka ba
Very
isa?
effective play, and they might be onto something. Oh yes, it's gone in, and now a chance for them to revel in the moment. So they get the ball moving again. 3-1 the scoreline here. What's going to happen next? Kerr.
Kung di kaya pa tama naman, di kaya tama yung keeper lang.
Oh, but cutting it out in the nick
Oh
of
no,
time.
zero, balas ka.
Angeldal.
Oh, pa inisyon mo.
Bruno Guimaraes. On to Kerr. Decent looking attack from meat and drink. Well, how about that for a piece of tackling to break things up? Decides to shoot. Just couldn't get it through.
Bastante
Well, he's gone
diretto.
short with it. That's gone out, and it is going to be a goal kick. And snuffed out the danger immediately. Lampard. Splendid pass by Lampard. No
Offside?
goal. It won't count. The flag was raised.
Não coisa que não
I
vai.
think everybody knew he was offside there.
Philippa Angeldal. And Myanmar being given too much room here. Electing to cross into the centre.
Goal.
And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's
Ano
not
sa may kobong
celebrating.
ka mo na gini. Eh, kusyo ito chalaka lang may konta. Gol ka gol. Yeah.
Goals in
Wala
plentiful
ko Jamal
supply.
tingka sa kinahin sa babae. Ano?
Kerr. Oh, big chance.
Ano?
He's made it a brace for himself. The defender's just unable to stay with him.
Ano
And he's having
dito?
a field day.
Pasa mi defensa na nada.
Good idea.
Ano,
He's
tingin
opened
ko
up
ulit
for
yung
him. And just like that,
Ah,
the
sì, mi
break is
difendo
stopped. Really top
molto
quality defending.
soprattutto.
Doan, that's a lovely ball. It should be. Brilliant save. And the danger is
Coordonato, vediamo
averted.
che passa con che c'è Maldi in difesa, non è nada, non.
Well, wasteful from meat and drink. Well, very effective play in possession. Can he get one back?
No, se ne è, sì, se ne è, raga. E se no, no.
Simple to put it
Oh,
away.
no,
Yet dispatched seemingly with ease. If ever there were a reason to get him out, and he's broken free. And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a two-goal lead now. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Intercepted effortlessly. Has eyes for goal. And a fine stop.
Well, I have to say, that was a fine save. He just about keeps this game alive.
That's a great way.
Oh, lovely weighted ball. They might be in. A goal! They're absolutely racing away with this. 3 to the good now. Well, you've got to say, an incredible first half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Opportunity.
No, guarda poi.
There it is. They've
Questo è
done it.
normale, man.
Surely. And he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. Bruno Guimaraes. Corner given. Keen to take it short here.
Ascoltiamo come imitato,
Nice
non
looking
sa
move
allora.
this. Takes aim.
Voilà,
They've
voilà.
grabbed another one.
No,
And who's to say they're not going to come back again?
tu avevo vari giocatori. No, tu avevo vari giocatori lì, ma tu cambiamo, la tua non è cosa.
Oh, that's a super piece of defending. The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time. Incisive pass. Oh, it's a terrific challenge. That is that for the first half here.
Sto pensando. No.
And we're moving again with the Spartans looking to build upon a positive first half performance. Ritsu Doan. Oh, he looks threatening. Well, not every keeper would have been that brave.
Well, he read it brilliantly, didn't he? Top stuff from the keeper.
And a fine tackle. And teammates around him. Takes up the shot. Oh, tremendous goal! A long way out, but took it on. A memorable finish.
Well, we won't get tired of seeing this, will we? Because that struck so sweetly. He really does surprise everybody here, not least the keeper. What a good finish that is.
Nusayr Mazraoui. And as a play it goes, throw in coming up here. Miyama. Given away by the Spartans.
Il team sono dietro, Franca sono
Bruno
dietro,
Guimaraes. Just trying to keep their opponents on their toes with the passing game.
Io vale per lei, so come difesa da aprire. Mi riesco, come difesa, anche ora per lei, come difesa da aprire.
Magnificent defending. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Oh, good-looking run.
I know, Arman.
The keeper to beat. Couldn't take the opportunity. Bruno Guimaraes. Trying to open them up. An amazing piece of goalkeeping.
Well, that's a remarkable save. He just reacted so sharply there.
A short corner here. He's blocked it. Now the quick counter-attack could be on. Well, it looks promising, but it all comes to nothing. Palmer. Now here's Kerr. Mazraoui. "30 minutes left for play. Promising looking ball. And it might be.
Offside, and then both feet.
As they cut into...
Fuck you.
Their advantage. Still plenty of life in this match. Really poor timing, and some will argue that he was asking for a yellow card. Oh, he's gone for goal. Well, that is how to strike a free kick, and that's how to make a save. Short corner taken. Not a bad ball. Handled away by the keeper. Corner once more. Keen to take it short here. An alert piece of defending. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. That's a goal! Fine goalkeeping to push that away. Scholes. And meat and drink struggling to keep the ball. Plenty of support here. Oh, in with a chance! Trying to chip it.
Tira, no,
That is a wasted chance.
Quella furbo qui Loppi.
And the Spartans have it back. And there it breaks down, with credit to the defence.
4 offside. Chúng nó passare qua nó nói có offside lên mà. I know.
When it comes to nothing in the end, offside.
Well, he doesn't need to make his movement quite so quickly there. just let the ball be played into the space.
Kerr. Now, options are plenty. But nothing comes of it. Paul Scholes. It's a good pass. Oh, great vision. And he's clear as lines. Might be dangerous. Nick, and that was goal. Right out of the top drawer.
It's absolutely remarkable. His reflexes were brilliant there.
And taken short. Oh, she's broken things up magnificently. How can they turn one of these attacks into a goal? Razziu. El Shaarawy has it. Angledon. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. An effective challenge. Doan. Excellent sliding tackle, and it had to be. Alvarez.
Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
To keep them in this game.
Well, he had to make that save, otherwise it was game over. Really good piece of goalkeeping.
Takes it on. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Well, having been awarded the corner, they'll no doubt look to put the issue beyond all doubt. And the short option preferred. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. Ella 2. Well, the counter chance looks very real. The pass not finding its target. Brighton. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. The attack just lost its momentum, and the keeper will Ritsu Doan. Oh, that's a really good pass. This could be it. Sadly, the bar was there. And it goes to increase their advantage. And will that be the goal that ends up securing it for them? And that is going to be that. And a tale of woe in terms of the scoreline as far as the visitors are concerned here. Well,
tiro l'altro ora, biro poi qua, verso un coi, di switch un po' di pochi, Volta maneira aqui. Olha só. Que foi o dia.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. My name's Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith on the gantry, and every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's the Spartans and they take on Meat and Drink.
Thanks, Guy. Well, being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game, so hopefully it's a fast-paced, entertaining match.
Here's how Spartans line up today. David De Gea stands between the posts. William Saliba plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni as centre-backs, and they'll play with a lone striker up front. Here's how Meat and Drink line up today.
Yeah, it's a 4-5-1, but it will morph into a 4-2-3-1.
Oh, they must score!
Não falha, dá-la boa. Defensa com Bruno boa, mano. Bruno de cara, mano.
Haley McCutcheon. Now with Miyama. And with that stray pass, there's a change of possession. Haaland. 2 goals in a matter of minutes. No wonder they're celebrating. Incredible. Stones. What a chance. Oh, off the post and away. But any... Celebrations would have been cut short even if it had gone in. It's offside. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Paul Scholes. That has gone out. It'll be a throw. Looking to put the cross in. Guimarães. Scholes. Decent looking attack this. And it's on now. Crucial defending. And it's a short one. Plays it into the area now. Another goal. And surely there's no way they can throw this away now. Absolutely dominant. And away we go again. 3-0 now. McCutcheon. Zinedine Zidane. Could be dangerous. The goal shakes again. A free kick awarded here. The refs viewed that as a foul. Nusayr Mazraoui. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. chance, but he's failed to take it.
Oh, he has, and he went for power. Not far away, but he's got to score for me.
Well, he let the game go, but now that it's stopped, it is a booking.
That's good to see, allowing play to continue, but correct.
Can he finish? And he's done really well to keep that out. Samker. That was well spotted. The attack is over. Promising position, this. Great chance here. Oh, that's an incredible waste of a really, really good chance.
He's offside, so it wouldn't have stood anyway, but you've got to be hitting the target from there, though.
Miyama. Zidane. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Lovely, incisive ball. Having to stay patient here. Could be a chance to break here. Miyama. Now, this has to be. Oh, it's a goal. And it was really nicely finished. And we're back underway and 3-1. Erling Haaland. This might be promising. And the keeper has it to avert the danger. Given away by the goalkeeper. Paul Scholes. Breaking at pace, this could be dangerous. Stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Lampard. Approaching the interval now, and the hosts look like having a mountain to climb. Is the score fair enough on what we've seen?
Yeah, they've struggled a little bit, haven't they? They just look a...
Now, this could be a chance here. It's in. The ball was going to go in, with nobody in the way. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Really good pass. Well read to gain possession. What a chance. And another goal. Surely they're home and dry with the win now.
Well, if we watch this again, it's all about the run. You've got to question the defending, but I don't want to take anything away from a superb individual goal.
Haaland. Oh, good defending, just when it was looking threatening. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. And we're off for the second half. Lovely weighted pass. But no, just offside.
Well, I thought he timed his run perfectly here. Incredibly close, but just about the correct decision, I think.
Possession again with meat and drink. That has stopped any potential danger. Chance now for a quick transition. They need to get bodies back. But able to deal with the danger decisively, well defended. This has to be. Oh, this is getting unbelievable. It is an absolute Found a way through. Must finish. Brilliant work by the man in goal. That's a top stop. Pulls it back. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. And a goal, but likely all too little to affect the result. But there is still fight left in them. The ball given away, too easy. Now, what can they do from here? He's in here.
No, si Dan.
Wonderful chance, but he's failed to take
Senta
it.
sa katira mo. Makita to guys niya bala.
Not far away, but he's got to score for me.
Lampard. Bruno Guimaraes. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Could be something on. Oh, cheeky attempt. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep that out. Does well to keep it in. Spartans showing good width here. But it will now be tidied up and cleared away. And the defence ready for what was coming. Now there could be a chance to counter. Need to get back here. It's a goal kick. When it looked for all the world like being a goal. Zinedine Zidane. Oh, a great chance. He tried to absolutely smash that, which, as we've seen, wasn't the right decision. Well read to gain possession. Nunez, and it's being passed around, but nobody wants to keep it. Counter-attack coming, away they go. Found nicely and in. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. And there's the whistle as the ref gives a free kick. Genuine chance. The keeper quick to get across and make the save. And the corner is fired in. There still could be something happening here. And the play breaks down. A chance now for a quick transition. Time to think and finish. Sure, he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping. A really good interception to take the ball. What a chance here. Oh, this is getting unbelievable. It is an absolute thrashing. Nunez.
Possiamo stare fuori.
A chance to break here. But not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position. Oh, they looked in there. That's nicely cut out. Trying to spark the attack further into life here. Looking for an angle here. Must have switched off there as the ball is lost. to break up the play. Oh, crucial tackle to deal with the danger. Guimaraes. This could be threatening. Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything. They could get caught out on the break here. Good work to win the ball and stop something happening. Meat and drink finding space on the flank. And this could be, but the danger spotted and dealt with. Goalkeeper asserts himself well there to get to the ball. Sam Kerr. Estupinha. He's in here. Last man back. Surely this will be red. And that is the end of his game. The referee shows red.
Last man. It was always going to be a red. They'll have to readjust now.
And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep that out.
And the
whistle wraps up a match that's gone the way of the visitors.
Well, it was a very assured.
They came back, so coi tu meno, scorano molto alto. Quel cavolo mira quanto avevo mandei pame come se mi ricordo. Se dove c'è un altro, this.